Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to guide you through setting up a secure VPN connection using the TLS Tunnel app alongside the SSH Ocean service. This step-by-step process will help you enhance your online privacy and enjoy safer browsing. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store, search for TLS Tunnel, then download and launch the app. Next, open any web browser and navigate to the SSH Ocean website. On the home page, tap the menu icon to open the navigation panel. From the menu, select Services, then tap on SSL Servers. Choose your preferred country or region for the server, then select a server from the list and tap Create. You'll be prompted to create an account. Enter a unique username and password, complete the reCAPTCHA verification, and then tap Create Account. Once your account is created, carefully copy all the server details provided, including the IP address, username, and password. Return to the TLS Tunnel app. On the home screen, tap the pencil icon to access advanced settings. Set the connection type to Custom. Make sure to check the SNI box and enter your desired server name indication, SNI. Press Save to apply your settings. Next, tap the server icon at the top of the screen and select Custom Servers. Input the SSL server details you copied earlier, IP address, port number, username, and password, into the respective fields. Save the configuration, then return to the main screen of the app. Finally, tap the Start button to initiate your VPN connection. And that's it. You're now connected securely through TLS Tunnel, enjoying enhanced privacy and protection online. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials, and join our Telegram and WhatsApp communities. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching.